After doing a lot of research, I decided it was time to renovate my garage. I ended up spending $12,000. That was a lot more than I intended. I'm going to show you every dollar I spent, tell you what I paid somebody else to do, what I did myself, and answer the question, was it really necessary to spend $12,000? Along the way, you're going to get some really helpful tips on how you can improve your own garage. So let's go. Before I renovated my garage, it looked like a pretty average garage. Lawn equipment everywhere, grandkids' toys over here, all my detailing stuff over here, random stuff all over the walls. It was dirty and unorganized. It was just chaotic, and it drained me before I even walked into it. What was especially frustrating is I could never find what I was looking for. So I did a ton of research on what needed to be done to this garage to make it feel new. And there was no question, you start with the floor. Now, there's lots of different floor choices out there. I quickly said the epoxy is what I want. And it didn't take much research to realize, pay someone else to do that. It's worth it. So we went out to Titan Garage Floors, and man, they did an incredible job. They did it in one day. They guarantee it for life, and it looks amazing. It's already been so easy to keep it clean, and it just sets the foundation for a garage that now looks really new. This next thing I did, honestly, I didn't think I was going to do this. It was unexpected, but it's made a huge difference. I got a new garage door opener and a new garage door. So there's a method to this madness. I want to be able to work all year long. And the old garage door had a lot of gaps in it. It wouldn't seal right. It was just super cold in here in the winter. It was super hot in the summer. And so getting a new garage door that seals properly, let me tell you, we've had some of the coldest weather where I live in the last 20 years. It's been in the single digits and in the teens. This garage hadn't gotten below 54 degrees. So the other thing that we did with the garage door opener is we used to have the one that went down the center and just took up a lot of space, and it was super loud. So that was more of just an inconvenience. But I didn't even know they did this, but these new garage doors, this new LiftMaster is a side mount. I did pay somebody to do that. Garage Door Doctor did a great job. If you're gonna get a new garage door and door opener, pay somebody to put it in. Everything else I did to the garage, I did myself, and you can too. Here's the first thing I highly recommend. Get Slatwall in most of your garage. So what you can see is Slatwall, heavy plastic. You just screw it into the studs. It's actually pretty easy to put up. It's a little challenging when you got windows to go around. But if you have the right tools, circular saw was my key. It's really not that bad, but here's what Slatwall does. It will absolutely maximize your storage space, because once you get it up, you get all these nice accessories. Look at these baskets here, all kinds of hooks, and you just put stuff wherever you want it. You don't have to worry about it being on a stud. You literally put it wherever you want it. You can screw stuff in. So we got grandkids, so we got this area over here. We got their helmets. We got all the balls and the fun toys. We've got all the yard stuff in this corner. Then we come over here where we have all of my detailing supplies, where we make old cars look new. If we go to the other side of the garage, this is where we're gonna store household stuff, garbage bags, paper towels, car seats. Look how almost everything is up off the floor. And that makes it so much easier to clean. So we basically just have a trash can, a recycle bin, the mower, a couple of detailing things on the floor. But just look at all the storage you get. You can be so creative with the Slatwall. Everything has a place. The other reason that you want to do Slatwall, certainly maximizing your storage, I used to waste so much time looking for stuff. Last major thing I did to make this garage feel new, garage cabinets. Did a lot of research on this, ended up deciding to go with a company called GarageCabinets.com. Kim did a great job helping us out, help us design, get the right measurements so that everything would fit. Now look, I'm gonna be honest, this was not put together when it came. It was in a lot of different pieces. It took some time, but it really wasn't too hard to put all these together. This is a game changer. First of all, it's beautiful. Look at this butcher block. I mean, this thing is awesome. I love the white on white, just a very clean look. But here's the key. It's the storage. I mean, look at this. Look how much stuff you can get in there. And then you come over here and you look at how you can organize these drawers. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna be wondering where my screwdriver is anymore. I got the Phillips head over here. I got the flat head over here. Everything has its place. So again, you go back and you look at what this garage looked like before this renovation and what it looks like now, and it actually is gonna save me a ton of time in addition to just looking great. I love battery powered tools. I've tried to get a bunch of Greenworks stuff because if you can stay with one brand, the same battery works for everything. But here's one thing you just gotta have. You gotta have a battery charging station so that you're not having to pull stuff out every time you need to charge a battery. So this little piece right here is great. I've got all my different chargers lined up. I keep a lot of the tools and the batteries down here, and it's just super easy when I need to charge them. I'll give you another tip. Always get multiple batteries. So when one goes dead, you've got another one ready to go. By the time it goes dead, you've charged the other one. And it just saves so much time, but I get a lot of compliments on this. It's nothing fancy, just got it off of Amazon. The key is having it in one place where you can charge everything. If you're gonna be doing projects in your garage, good lighting is critical. I love to detail cars. You have to have good lighting to do a good job detailing cars. The good news is, this was really easy to put up. I got it off of Amazon. They all click together, and it does a great job giving me the lighting that I need. I have so much extra storage that I took the 3 junk drawers inside the house and moved them all out here. Let me tell you, that made my wife really happy. So was it worth it to spend $12,000 renovating my garage? If it helps us give more people reliable transportation, then yeah, it was worth it. And I think it is going to help us do that. So what about you? What can your garage become?